Hi, I'm Dave Strobar with an Alarming Minute. One of the goals of alarm rationalization is to reduce alarm flood, to cut down on the number of alarms that are going to come in any particular event or upset. One of the places where people have trouble in doing this is around redundant instrumentation. So if I have multiple temperature indicators or flow measurements, oftentimes I'll want to alarm every single one of them, even though the response is identical to any one that comes in. So that violates the uniqueness criteria of having an alarm. So what do you do? Well, if it's a lot of them, such as skin temperatures and a fired heater or firebox temperatures, you can group them together and create a group alarm and have if any one goes off, then the alarm actuates. But then you get into situations where I may only have 3 alarms, and this is particularly true if I've got a safety instrumented system and I've got a 2 out of 3 voting that is going on. Do I alarm all 3 of the indicators into the trip system? Well, we would say no, you only want to alarm one of them. And then you want to alarm should there be a deviation between those 3. So that as long as all 3 were agreeing with each other, if the parameter actually began to deviate and went into alarm, you would get a single alarm on one of the temperatures or one of the flows. If, however, there was a fault and there was a drift in the alarms, either on the one that you've alarmed or on one of the other ones, then you would get the deviation alarm to tell you your points don't agree. So you don't want to alarm every single instrument, and this is particularly true where you get redundant instrumentation. You want to try to use logic where possible, or you want to think it through, and that's a way to try to reduce the alarm flood that might be occurring, or even also reduce the total number of alarms that are present. If you need more information, check us out at bevel.com. I'm Dave Strobar. Talk to you again later.